This is a fit for a 2017 through 2019 and likely beyond Alfa Romeo Stelvio with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Podium WingBar EVO base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar EVO load bars in silver, 47 inches in length, the 460R Rapid Podium Foot Pack, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the rubber contoured base pads that rest on the flush side rail and the rubberized metal brackets which grip to the edges of the flush side rail. This is part number KIT 4085. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 29 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the panoramic roof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.